Good day, learners. This is Teacher Dan. Today I'm going to tackle from Module 3. We are expected to give the abbreviations and equivalents of measurements and convert systems of measurements and observe proper measurements in any task given diligently. So stay tuned. Our lesson for today is about equivalents, tables of measurements, and conversion. Now let's find out what is the significance of this in our cookery lesson. There is an example scenario here. I'm going to show you. Bea wanted to learn how to cook siomai, so she decided to research in Google the ingredients, and she found this. The ingredients are 2.5 pounds of ground pork, 1 cup shrimp mince, 2 sachet Nor Savor pork seasoning, 1 cup jicama mince, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 cup onion mince, 1 cup carrots mince, and 1 piece raw egg, 1/2 cup scallion mince, and 30 pieces of wonton wrapper. Butter for steaming. Bea was so shocked that she was not able to understand the measurements used in these ingredients. So now, let's study the significance of conversion in measurement of ingredients. Why do we need to convert? As you can see in the example ingredients here, there are different kinds of unit of measurements that are being used. Example, 2.5 pound, cup, tablespoon, and teaspoon. So in reality, if we don't know the different unit of measurements, and if we do not have the exact measurements of those ingredients, we will not acquire the desired product that we want. Conversion is the act or process of converting, a state of being converted, so meaning there is change. Here in cookery, we're going to convert a certain measurement to another unit of measurement in order for us to acquire the exact or the amount that we desired for our cooking. Because our main goal here is to convert to get exact measure. Accurate measurement is must in order to attain a successful cooking. Through this, time, money, and effort are being saved. So these are the table of weights and measurements for liquid. This is also present in your module. Okay, this is also a quick conversion from ounce to gram to kilogram. And this one is using cups and spoon to fluid ounces and ml. And the temperatures for oven. Converting will be done through the following steps. First, analyze the given problem. Second, find the direct equivalent from the table of measurements. Third, calculate the conversion. Calculations can be done using ratio and proportion. In proportion, it states that two ratios or rates are equal. If A over B and C over D are two equal ratios, then A over B is equal to C over D. Example, if the problem is 2 cups is to blank ml. So we're going to analyze this problem. It is looking for the equivalence of 2 cups to ml or milliliter. Next is we're going to get the direct equivalence of the following. So 2 cups and ml, their direct equivalence from the measurement table or equivalent table is 1 cup is to 250 ml. Now let's calculate using this method. we are going to multiply both the inner is 1, the ml, and the cup. That's 1 times 0 equals 0. Then the two outside numbers, which is 2 times 250. Since we're looking for ml, 2 times 250 equals 500. So now, the answer to your problem, 2 cups is equivalent to 500 ml. Another problem, 3 cups is equals to blank tablespoon. You can also convert using this method. We are looking for the direct equivalent of cups to tablespoon. So since we found it, 1 cup is equivalent to 16 tablespoon. So 3 cups over TBSP or tablespoon times 16 over 1 cup. So since we are looking for the tablespoon, we are going to cancel the cup, and tablespoon will remain, then multiply. This period here means multiplication. This is the center. So 3 times 16 equals 48. Then copy the unit of measurement. So that's it. 3 cups is equivalent to 48 tablespoons. You can still use the same method of converting if there is no direct equivalent or immediate equivalent of the unit of measurement. For example, cups to teaspoon. Since there is no direct or immediate equivalence in the chart to cups to teaspoon, we need to do the following. We look for a connection. Since there is no direct equivalence from cups to teaspoon, we use 1 cup is equivalent to 16 tablespoons. Okay, as you can see, then we can find that the 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 3 teaspoons. So see, since we are looking for teaspoon and there is no such direct equivalent, we use the connectivity of cups and tablespoon to teaspoon. Then let's calculate. 2 cups over blank teaspoon times 16 tablespoon over 1 cup times 3 teaspoon over 1 tablespoon. So since this one is cup, cancel, because there is cup also below, cancel, and then tablespoon, cancel, tablespoon also down there, cancel. So now what remains is the teaspoon, since this is what we're looking. So 2 times 16 times 3 equals 96 teaspoons. Since 0 times 1 is 0 and 0 times 1 is 0, so the answer is 96 teaspoon. So the answer is 96 teaspoon. 2 cups is equivalent to 96 teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to give you another set of examples so that I will be able to guide you the placement of the unit of measurement when you do the calculation, because it is very important in removing or cancelling those we do not need and remain what is being asked. For example, 80 tablespoons is equivalent to blank cups. So what we are looking is the cup equivalent to 80 tablespoons. Okay, then we are going to find the direct equivalent, which is 16 tablespoons is equivalent to 1 cup. Now let's calculate. You can put it this way also, as long as the tablespoon is over here and another tablespoon is up there, so that we could cancel it and then remain the cup, which is what we're looking. Okay. 1 times 80 equals 80. 16 times 1 is 16. So we're going to cancel TBSP and the other one. So that cup will remain 80 divided by 16, which is 80 over 16. That's 80 divided by 16 equals 5 cup. Okay, so meaning 80 tablespoon is equivalent to 5 cups. All you have to do is just perform the operation being present in your solution. Okay, just like this one. It shows 80 will be divided by 16. So this is the answer. 5 cup. So for 80 tablespoon, there is 5 cup. Now guys, this is your turn to answer the following. Kindly convert this one and have a practice at home. Okay, that's it. Excelente! We are done with our discussion with our conversion using the equivalents and the table of measurements. God bless everyone.